Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can turn off sensitive content over on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up the X app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version available. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of your account where all of the posts of people you follow will be available. Now just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and select settings and privacy. Inside the settings menu, just tap on privacy and security. And after that, just select contents you see. Make sure that the sensitive content slider is toggled on to enable sensitive content. And after that, just go over to the search settings beneath it and make sure to toggle off the hide sensitive content feature. And that's it. Now the sensitive content will be available for you to see. This is basically how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.